Hello, and thank you for joining us at Easy Cooking today. It's December 31st, so we're about to celebrate New Year, but our special guest Lilia wanted to show everyone how to make peanut butter sandwich with honey, so we have our special guest today. Lily, if you want to introduce yourself, and if you want to tell everyone what ingredients we need today and how you make your sandwich, that'd be fantastic. And Daddy will step aside and let you be the star of the episode. Does that sound fun?
No, you can be my assistant.
Oh, I can be your assistant? You want me to just sit on the side over there? How about I sit over here? Is this a good spot?
Yeah.
All right. Well, why don't you take over, see what you have and what you got going.
Oh, hi. Okay. Hi. I'm Lilia. I'm gonna make a peanut butter sandwich today.
What do you need to make a peanut butter sandwich?
I need peanut butter, honey, bread, and a knife and a towel.
What kind of bread is that?
It's my daddy's homemade bread.
Oh, that sounds yummy.
I'm making one for my sister.
Natalie, did you hear that? Lily's making you a peanut butter sandwich.
No meaning, honey.
It's yours. Okay, Lily, why don't you start making your sandwich?
Okay.
What do you do first?
No, Daddy.
You want me to open your peanut butter?
Yeah. Okay. First, we need peanut butter. Now you, Daddy.
You want your stool, honey?
What are you doing there with the peanut butter?
I'm wiping it on the sandwich to make a peanut butter one.
She's wiping it.
Great job. Natalie looks like ready for that sandwich. Natalie, how hungry are you?
I'm peeped.
Are you hulky?
Yeah. Now I said she peeped. Daddy, Daddy. Now it goes. Let go. I go peeped.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That's an interesting technique, Lily.
More peanut butter. That's great.
That's great.
Yeah.
Sissy's great at making you sandwiches, isn't she?
I got some on my fingers.
That's okay. Use your paper towel. Here, why don't you get the paper towel over here on the side?
Mommy, Mommy, Mommy. It's not dirty.
You are Natalie, that's right.
Let's go.
Wow, looks great, Lily.
This one, milk.
You want me to take your knife?
Sauce. I'm peanut butter. Here's the honey.
What other toppings can you put on your sandwich if you don't like honey?
You can put marshmallow.
Marshmallow
Or
or marshmallow
bacon.
froth? Ooh, bacon?
Yeah, why not?
Or
Why not?
honey. Right.
What if you did bacon, banana, chocolate? Would
Yeah,
that be
bacon,
fun?
banana, chocolate too.
With peanut butter. Wow, that's a great combo. So what are you doing here?
I'm doing honey now.
Natalie, you're gonna eat the sandwich at the end, right?
No. Go. See?
Ooh, that looks
Now
good.
what do you do?
Then you put the bread on the sandwich. There we go. Now you have a yummy peanut butter sandwich. Here you go.
Lily.
Mom, keep the video on.
Okay, I will. Let's see how Natalie likes it. Should we cut
Natalie,
it for her?
show us how you like your sandwich, baby.
Good.
Good.
All right.
Great success, Lily. Thank you,
Great
Chef.
job, Lilia. a great special episode for Daddy's
Wait,
channel.
let's watch Nelly eat
Lily,
it.
thank you for being our guest tonight. Natalie seems to enjoy her sandwich. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you enjoyed our little special with Lily and Natalie. And we'll see you next year.